Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen, and today we at Youth for Work will discuss a few tips and tricks on Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, which conducts GNIHM JET. 1. Draw a proper schedule for preparations. Do proper time management before starting preparing for the exam. Make sure every topic gets equal attention and time. Try and attempt each and every question as there is no negative marking. Along with 115 multiple choice questions, there will be 5 descriptive questions to be answered. Thus try practicing online mock tests for better accuracy and speed. Practice along with time-defined online mock tests provided by Youth for Work in its application Prep Guru for better understanding of the pattern of exam. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share and comment on our channel.